Hello everyone, this is Minh. Today video I would like to show you two methods to separate date and time to date and time with formula and without formula. Okay, let's start. Okay, first we use the formula. Okay, as you can see, I have data like this. Let me test only 3 of them. And we can see it is date time. And we can change to number. So you can see it is number with decimal number right here. So let's look at only date is very simple. Just equal in. We convert it to integer number that without fraction of that number. Okay, let me just drag it first because it with the format. So let's just change to number first. So you can see without decimal number. And then now we can change it to date format. As you can see, right here. Okay, what about time? Time, we get only the last one, the digit number. So as you can see, this is already converted to in. So we can say equal original number like this minus in that we from this one. Okay, let me show you because it with the format. Let me show you is the number. So it got only the last decimal number 0.95. That is represent the time. So we can change it to date to time. Okay. Here after that we can change to any different format. We can use advanced format, date time, and it specific this one or like this. It totally work, right? Totally work. Let me change to original value. Okay. It didn't time. So like this. Okay. Okay, right now let's do it without formula. Okay, as you can see the value right here. So we just copy this one and paste right here. So you can change different date format right here. Let me choose this one like that, right? So just drag it down. You may see 27, 28, 29, but our data is 21, 25, so it's not in order. But we can see a little guy right here. Just click this one and take option flat fill. Okay, flat fill. And then boom, you got it right. 25, 21, and 27. What about the time? We do the same. Just we copy it from the last one, okay, and paste right here. So you can change the time format as you want and just drag right here. So with 2, 3, so we click the same flat fill, then boom, you got it. 11:52 p.m. and 9:52. You can change to different format as you want, still in the value, only this part. For example, boom, you got it right. It's exactly the same. So this is two different methods that you can separate the time to date only, time only. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know. See you next time.